The virtual matrix is a very elegant solution that we have for controlling videos or remote clients. With the virtual matrix, you can control a remote client that has joined the matrix by sending cameras and objects like a web page or an analytics or a group of cameras. And these cameras and objects will be sent to that client that's running, for example, on a video. So in this example here, we have this camera. That's showing a small video, but this could be used with any size of video, obviously. In this video, we have one screen that's composed of 4 monitors here on the center, but it's viewed as a single monitor. And then we have all these monitors on the sides that can be controlled independently. So, for example, if I want to send this camera here to the video, to this monitor on the center, I can just right-click, Virtual Matrix, show at number 200. That's my video here. So I'll show on the 200. Whenever I do it, it's gonna show the current cameras that are being displayed on the video with the current layout. So you can actually change just one spot of the remote client or the video, or you can just put it a single on full screen. So I'll just put full screen. Now it's on the video and this camera is over there. I can send this camera to 200, and then if it's already on the full screen, it will just change. I can also see a list of all the monitors I have on the video and which object is being displayed on the video. Okay, so and if I want to send a camera, I can just drag and drop to the monitor. So drag and drop to that monitor and it's gonna be there. I can send a view, for example, a view of different of multiple cameras. I'll send this view here, right click to the video on the 200. Now it loaded all that view over there. I can also send my current objects. So I have all these objects on the screen and I can just right click, Virtual Matrix, show all objects at 200. Now the video has an exact copy of what I am seeing here and what I have configured. I can send actually this view that I have here to that monitor on the top if I want. Show on 501. So I have it running over there. And these are different machines. So we have one machine running for this video here and another machine running, controlling all these monitors on the side. And everything integrates nicely and smoothly on the client. So you can have multiple monitors connected on different client computers, on different locations, even different countries, whatever. As long as they are connected to the server, you're going to be able to view all the monitors that are part of the matrix. So if I get here, I'll send to 200 again. Then you're here on the status of the video. You can see that the monitor 200 has this layout loaded, and I can see exactly which objects are being displayed on my video right now and which user is being used on that video. Not only that option, these virtual matrix option can be used to control the video, but you can also use to share objects between operators. So here on the surveillance client, we are going to configure the virtual matrix. So you can actually just label whatever monitors you have on this client. So for example, guest 1, and here I just have one monitor. So whenever I activate the virtual matrix for this client, it means that my client will join the virtual matrix, and then my monitor will be available for every other operator to send objects to this monitor. As long as my user has rights to join the virtual matrix and the other users has rights to send objects to virtual matrix, it's gonna work nicely. And I have a few options here. For example, I want to blink the border with red color whenever an object is sent, just to make it different, so the operator knows that there's an alarm or something like that, and show the information of who sent that object to my screen. So whenever I do that, we just need here, guest one is already part of the virtual matrix, and anybody who has access to the server will be able to send objects to my monitor. That means that I can also send whatever cameras I'm viewing to any other operator monitor. So as long as the operator has joined the virtual matrix, I can just get all the objects here and send to that operator machine. And so if I'm seeing an event, an occurrence of anything that is happening, and I want that operator to see whatever I'm seeing as well, I just right click, show all objects at that operator monitor. And that's what makes the virtual matrix very, very powerful. You can control video, you can use it for exchanging objects between operators, and in a very, very easy way to configure and to use. It's very user friendly. You can drag and drop cameras to the monitors. You can right click on the cameras, send to the virtual matrix. You can right click on the views and send to the virtual matrix. I can even send, for example, web pages to the video wall. So if I want to show some like a website here, now it's showing the website over there, or a dashboard or anything. I can easily change objects on the video wall and exchange objects between operators. With the virtual matrix, we can actually even send objects using the mobile client. So we have the mobile client here running on Apple phone. So I'm seeing that camera here on the phone, and I want to send it to that screen over there. So all I have to do is click on the virtual matrix, select which monitor I want to send. So in this case, I want to send to monitor 200 and swipe up. When I do that, the camera will be sent and be open on my video wall. If I want to select another camera, I can just grab another camera here. I'll take that camera and send to the virtual matrix. It's that easy. You can actually send any camera to any monitor using your mobile device. Using Digifort mobile client along with the virtual matrix, you can also send a playback to the virtual matrix. So let's get this camera. We're gonna get into the playback mode, select the time, so 9:30, and then just like the live, you can select share to virtual matrix, select the monitor that you want to send, and then just swipe up. The playback will now open on the remote machine. At the exact moment that we are playing here, 9:30, it's also playing back at 9:30 over there.